Hello, welcome to our live weekly attorney chat. My name is Attorney Desiree with Immigration for Couples. If you are new to our Facebook page, we regularly do these live attorney chats to discuss happenings that are going on with immigration, things that we're hearing via our comments section on our Facebook page, or even just during consultations, common questions that we are getting. So that's why we're coming on here today, usually every Thursday at 11. So today, I wanted to discuss something that had been commented as a question on one of our Facebook chats. And if you are watching us currently, certainly feel free to make comments. And if I see them and I can deal with them quickly during this video, I certainly will. If for some reason it's a more in-depth question or something that I can do a full video on at a later date, I certainly will do that and maybe move that to the next week. So again, one of our topics for today is traveling while a fiance visa is pending. This is something we get a lot of questions on because, of course, with the processing time delays for a fiance visa or any visa for that matter, so it could be a spousal visa as well, those delays are so lengthy and people just want to be together in the US. And by this time, they've made that commitment to be with each other, to further their life, start their life together in the US. And so now they're just kind of waiting on USCIS to kind of catch up to where they are in their life. And so let's get to the nuts and bolts of it. As you may be aware, and I know we've done other videos regarding immigrant intent and non-immigrant intent. So a visitor visa is essentially a non-immigrant intent. That means you intend to go home. So that's why when you're going to apply for a visitor visa, you have to show significant ties to your home country, home, job, family, in order for that visa to issue. That shows that consular post, that officer that's adjudicating your fiance or your visitor visa application, that you have significant ties enough to your home country that you would then likely to return home. So it's kind of that first requirement in order to be able to get a visitor visa. Right now, getting a visitor visa is very difficult. So there are just not a lot of them being actually adjudicated in favor of that person that's applying. The opposite issue really or intent is your fiance visa and spousal visa. So fiance visas, you may understand that those are also considered a non-immigrant intent, a non-immigrant visa. However, in all practicalities, when it comes to consular processing and how it's looked at or viewed by CBP or the Department of Homeland Security, is as an immigrant intent, that you're intending to come and to stay and live and work in the U.S. So traveling, obviously, on a non-immigrant intent, while you have a visitor or spousal or a fiance or a spousal visa pending, once that application has been put into process, then that kind of puts CBP and USCIS on notice that you are wanting to come and live in the US. So in all practicalities, it can cause more issues at the border. So when you go to enter, there could be more questions asked of you by an immigration officer. And, and essentially they have all discretion to turn you away. I will say that we are able to successfully help our clients navigate that process. So as long as they have a current visitor visa or ESTA or some other visa that would allow them to enter and stay for short periods of time, we have been successful in helping our clients navigate that process. The problem really lies is if you don't currently have an ESTA or a visitor visa, that they are hard to get. ESTA is definitely less stringent and more readily available to people to be able to apply and get that. But as far as petitioning for a visitor visa somewhere, you're likely looking at a very long wait time for even an interview to get a visitor visa. So something to keep in mind. But if you currently have a way to enter, even if it's a non-immigrant intent, and we've helped you apply, or you have applied for a spousal or a fiance visa, something that puts Department of Homeland Security on notice that you're wanting to immigrate to the U.S., you can have more difficulties at the border, but we successfully have people that travel in and out all of the time. And that is definitely something we can talk you through. So I hope this video has been helpful. Certainly comment, like, share our Facebook page in this video in particular if you know someone who may be interested in this topic specifically. Also, you can always go to www.immigrationforcouples.com and click on our resources tab. This video, along with lots of other videos, are posted there, will be posted there in order to act as a resource for you as you move through your immigration process. I hope this has been helpful, and I will catch you next week at the same time, same day. Have a great day.